Hi, my name is Abril, and with my partner Fernanda Lopez, we wanna talk about fungi bioremediation. First of all, using fungi to clean the environment, it's okay because micro-remediation is an eco-friendly method that uses fungi to remove pollutions and from contaminated areas. Fungi are natural organisms that can break down harmful substances and help restore ecosystems. One of the main disadvantage One of the main advantages is that fungi can remove pollution from oil and water without using harsh chemicals. This makes the process environmentally friendly and sustainable. Another benefit is that fungi use natural biological process, which means they can clean contaminated areas while causing minimal chain damage to the environment. This is because these characteristics fungi are becoming an important tool of environmental protection and restoration. How does it work? Now, let's see how fungi clean the environment. Fungi have special abilities that allow them to survive in different conditions. They produce enzymes that break down complex chemicals into simpler and less harmful substances. Some fungi can also absorb toxic metals and other contamination from soil and water. These organisms can work in different environments, including soil, water, and even air. This is because of the versatility. Fungi are useful for cleaning many types of contamination. Problems that fungi can solve. In this slide, we show the different environment problems that fungi can solve throughout the bioremediation. Fungi are capable of removing heavy metals such as lead and mercury from contaminated soil and water. These metals are dangerous because they can harm ecosystems and human health. They can also break down oil spills and other organic pollutions. There are several benefits of using fungi for environmental cleanup. First, fungi help clean contaminated soil and water, making these resources safer for plants and animals and people. Second, they improve soil fertility by breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. This can support plant growth and help damage ecosystem recover. Another important benefit is that micro-remediation is a low-cost solution compared to many traditional cleanup methods. Then we have the disadvantage. Although fungi offer many advantages, but there are also some limitations. One of these disadvantages is that the process can be slow. Environmental cleanup using fungi may take weeks, months, or even years, depending on the level of the contamination that we had. Another limitation is that the effectiveness of fungi depends on the environmental conditions, such as temperature, moisture, and nutrients availability. In some cases, fungi can produce intermediate substance during the breakdown process. This substance may still require monitoring to ensure they are not harmful. There is also a small risk that the contaminations absorbed by fungi could enter to the food chain if they are consumed by animals. Even with these challenges, bioremediation remains a promising and sustainable method for the environment cleanup.
Hello, my name is Fernanda Lopez Peña. Today I will present my topic fungi and their environment application. Fungi are essential for ecosystems and they also offer innovative solution to pollution problems. Fungi and plants. Fungi create underworld network that connect plants This network help plants absorb water and nutrients, and they also protect plants from stress. This relationship is called symbiosis because both organisms benefit, which fungi many plants could not survive in difficult environments. Plastic eating fungi. Scientists discovered fungi that can eat plastic. They use pollution as energy, and their enzymes transform plastic into organic matter. This process even works with oxygen deep in lift. This discovery gave hope for reducing plastic pollution. Work give oil spill cleanup. Oils mushroom act like natural hydrocarbon sponge. They absorb toxic oil and transform into simple sugar in the contaminated area becomes rich oil compost. This show how fungi can turn dangerous waste into something useful. Mycophyllation mycelium might act like biological signs. Their feels harmful bacteria such as E. coli and remove chemical reduced from water. This term is natural, effective, and could improve water well in cities. After cleanup, mushroom discovered and enriched the oleum. Some fungi absorb materials which can be recovered, but not all mushrooms are safe. Some may become toxic and must be handled careful. This reminds is that fungi are powerful, but they must be studied responsibility. Even torn fungi are useful. There are disadvantages. They work slowly. They depend on environmental condition, and sometimes they produce toxic intervenient substance. There is also a range of interest the food change that is where scientists must balance to the benefit and reach. In conclusion, fungi are not only essential for ecosystem but also offer innovative solution for pollution cleanup. Their application show how natural can insight systems technologies. Thank you for listening to my presentation.